Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to Brain Booster Institute. So, all you know that we have started EMAth program. Welcome to EMAth program. So, in this EMAth program, we are going to learn amazing mathematic techniques, multiplication tricks as per the Vedic Maths. You know that how importance of Vedic Maths you might know. So, as per the Vedic Maths, we can solve each and every problem within seconds. Let's see how we can solve this problem, how we can learn this multiplication trick. Let's see now. The first, let us learn how to multiply 9 in less time by using the Vedic math theorem. Okay, let's see. Let us take one example. The example one is 135 into 9. Okay, but it's simple. Within there are two steps to complete this multiplication. Within the second, we can complete now. Got the point? So immediately we can't say that 135 into 9 is equal to 1215. Got the point? Do you want to learn? Let's see now. The simple technique say the step one, just the first step one is add 0 to the right side of the given number. Let's add now. By adding 0, then what do you get, my dear friends? 1350. Now the step 2, just to subtract the number, whatever the given number, from the first result. Means the result we have got from the first step, we have got that this 1350. That's from which we should subtract 135. Just subtract now. See, 1350 minus 135 is equal to nothing but 1250. Let's see the next example. Yeah, yeah. Say, yeah, the given number is 9,95,489. Let us multiply with 9. So the first step, just add uh, 0 to the right side. So I added 0 here and subtract the given number from this result. So here by subtracting, so let us subtract now. 10 minus 9 is 1 and 8 will be there here. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0 and here is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4 and the 4 we cannot subtract 5 from the 4, so let us take carry forward and 14 minus 5 is 9 and here will be 4 and again take carry forward and 14 minus 9, 14 minus 9 is nothing but 5. Okay, yeah, 8 will be there. We cannot subtract 9 from the 8. That's why take carry forward. 18 minus 9 is 9. And here will be 8. So the answer is 89 lakhs 59,401. So it's very easy to do that. Only simple, just add the 0 and the whatever the result from the result, just subtract the given number. Was it awesome? So let's go with the next one. Yeah, you can try now. I am giving the two problems to you. The two problems you can type and you can you can write your answers in the comment box. Okay. See the first example. Say so. Yeah, 77,777. Just multiply with 9. And the next example is, yeah, 105 and 4989 means 10 lakhs 54,989 into 9. Just to solve it within the seconds. Okay, and better not to use a pen or a paper, or if you are first you try get practice with pen and paper, then after whole solution, whole calculation you have to do in your mind now. For the point, just don't forget to comment these answers now. And the next say the next multiplication, see now, the multiplication with 11. It is a very awesome method, my friends. Okay, we take this also we can solve within the two steps. With seconds we can solve it. Now let's see the example one. Let us multiply and 13 into 11. Okay, 13 into 11. Only just see what the steps are gonna involve in multiplication with 11. Let's see now. Okay, see the step one. See, give space between 1 and 3. As you know that by multiplying two-digit number with two-digit number, it may gives at least three-digit number or four-digit number. Means the product of two-digit numbers, two-digit numbers gives either three or four digits of number. So that here 1 13 and 1 3 nothing but 13 into 11 it gives three digit number. That's why give one space between 1 and 3. Other point, that's so now. So 1 and space and 3. It's simple. And the next step, see step 2, add 1 and 3 and write down between the 1 and 3 symbol. Just find the sum of 1 and 3 and write between them. Whatever we have to the space, just on the space, just fill up with the sum of 1 and 3. And let's see now what do you get the. So just once I'm writing here, the sum of 1 and 3 nothing but 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Now the answer is, what is the final answer? 143. That means 11. Very simple way. Like that, we can multiply in many problems. For example, I'm taking 16. 16 into 11. It's simple, and that gives a space between 1 and 6, and 1 plus 6 nothing but 176. Simple. Okay, can you say the answer 15 into 11 within the seconds? Tell me. It's simple, we can say within the second. The answer is 165. Was it awesome? Okay, let's go with some large problems now. Let's go with the large problems now. Let's just increase the number of digits now. Okay, so the three digit number I have given, then 451 into 11. All I told you, then 451 into 11. This three digit number with the two digit number, it make you four digits. But the point, to show that what I am doing here, here see, as per the first step, only I am taking the extremities of 451. Extremities means the first number and the last number. Means your one digit number and 100 digit number. Okay, as it gives here four digits of number is product. That's why I'm giving the two space here. The other one. Okay, in the earlier problem, we have taken only two digit number, 13 we have taken. That's why I have taken only one space. 1 comma 3 are the extremities. Only the extremities only should be taken here. So 1 and 3 I have taken. As there are only two numbers, that's why only just very simple to give the space. But here there are three digits. That's why what I am doing, only I am taking extremities, nothing but the first number and the last number. N terminal numbers. Got the point? So, and after that, just add each two digits. Just add each two digits now. By adding C, what do you get here? So let me explain with the other color. Then you could understand easily. Okay. I think everyone likes light blue. Now I'm adding and 511. Got the point? Then 5 plus 1 is nothing but 6. And just I am writing the tens place. And next I am multiplying, sorry, I am adding 4 plus 5. Then what do you get? 9. And final answer is 4961. Got it? Very easiest way we can multiply with 11. Okay, it's a beautiful multiplication which we are learning now. Okay, let's see next problem. See the next example, 1234 into 11. Just I'm increasing the number of digits now. Let's increase now. 1234. And the same, yeah, say, yeah, say, as we are adding 1, 2, 3, 4, we get the three sums. That's why, yeah, I'm taking estimate is 1 and 4. So I think you might have understand how many space we need to use between 4 and 4. As we get over three sums, I am giving three spaces now. Got the point? Okay. Now see, by taking the three spaces now, and see I'm adding the first these two, 4 plus 3, nothing but 7, and 3 plus 2, nothing but 5, and 2 plus 1, and 3. The simple answer, 13,574. It is a very, very, very easiest. Got the point? Only simple. Only just take the extremities and give the space between two extremities and just take the sum of the digits in the given number and replace with whatever give the spaces. Then that is the final answer. Got the point? Okay. Now let's do with some examples. What you're going to try now? Yeah, I'm going to give the two examples now. Let's see. You can do that. 4,739 into 11 and 2,769 into 11. Here see, in these two examples you can do and you can get the comment now. For example, you can ask the doubt. If there is getting the sum of two digits, as you are adding the digits in the given number, if they get two digit number, then just one digits you can write in the space, empty space, and the tenth digit you can carry forward to the its next digit now. Okay, let's do, for example, the second problem I'm taking now. Now see, 2769, I'm taking 9. So then as we get here, see 1, 2, 3. So I am taking the three digits now. Now 9 plus 6, we are getting the 15. Means two digit number we have. But two digit we cannot replace it by one space. That's why only I am taking only one digit. Now the 5 I am writing on the 10th digits I am carry forward to the next space. Carry forward, don't write here. And we are coming 9 plus 6 and let's do the 6 plus 7. 6 plus 7 is equal 13. This 13 plus 1 is equal 14. Again we have got the two digit number. That's why here I'm writing one digit and the 10th digit I'm carry forward to the next place. Now we have got here 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 1 is equal 10. Again we have got the two digit number, then here unit is the number you put here and the 10th digit number. Let's carry forward to the next digit. Now just add now. Here already we have added this 2, so that's only we need to add this 3. Now what do you get here? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3 and 0 and 4 and 5 and 9. Means 30,459. So only the simple, if you get sum of the two digits is two digit number, just one digit we can write in the space and 10th digit we can carry forward to the next digit. That's it. Okay. Now let's go with another multiplication trick now. Now let's start multiplication with 5. Okay. Now let's start with example. The example is 18 into 5. Okay. It's simple. It also can be multiplied in within less time. Now let's see. Let's see the steps 1. The step 1 is same. Add 0 to the right side of the given number. The simple way. Let's add 0 to the right side of the given number. Now the given number is 18. Now I'm adding. That's 180. Got the point? Just add, and step 2, see the step 2, then divide the result by 2. Simple. Okay. And whatever we have got the result in the step 1, just divide by 2. Or if you are able to take half of the result, then directly you can take the half. Got the point? Now by dividing the 2, 180, then see already I think we can see half of the given number is 2 ones and 2 90s. The answer is nothing but 90. Very simple way. Now 18 5s are 90. Like that we can multiply easily. Another point. But for example, I am taking 22 5s up. It's simple. Just add 0 and by 2, just take half of it, 110. No, 110 is nothing but is a product of 22 into 5. Within second, we can multiply this now. Now let's go the same multiplication trick with the largest numbers now. Okay. Say the next example. See 95,875. In a simple way, you can do this. Say, my dear students. Now say now, and just as for the first step, I am putting the 0 right side of the number. Just time to the right 0 and divide by 2, and then 2 ones. So here 2 fours are 8. Here 1 will be there, and 2 sevens are 14. Again 1 will be there, and 2 nines are 18. So it's been completed. Now here 7, then it goes in threes. 2 threes are 6. Now again 1 will be reminded, and 15. 2 sevens are 14, and again 1 will be there. And what is the answer? 2 fives are 10. Then what is the answer, my dear students? Yeah, 479375. Nothing but 4,79,375. We can multiply. We can check it by multiplying in traditional way. Okay. Next one. Yeah, was it awesome, my dear students? See, in the next class, we are going to learn two-digit number, multiplication of two digit with two digits. Okay, only just only particular numbers. We have learned only the multiplication tricks for only particular numbers like 11 and 9 and 5. But now, in the next class, we are going to learn a common trick for all two-digit number, a common trick for all three-digit number. We are going to in the next class. I think you are not going to miss it. Okay. And yeah, so thank you for watching this lesson, and let's go to the next lesson. Okay. I think yeah, please subscribe and share and like this video. Okay.